Silent voltage. City rain is falling on the glass. Electric lights are moving slow and fast. Every line is shining through the night. Clean design under silver light. No engine thunder, no burning flame, just silent power calling out my name. From every angle, smooth and low, built for the streets, ready for the show. Feel the current rising, see the skyline glow. Every turn is perfect, let the camera roll. Silent voltage, running through the night. Silent voltage, everything feels right. Chrome reflections, neon blue. Every custom built looks new. Silent voltage, we own the city lights. Low suspension wheels in black, carbon details front to back. Street machine or off-road style, different look in every mile. Red and silver midnight tone, every version stands alone. Slow rotation, perfect frame, same electric heart, a different name. Feel the current rising, see the skyline glow. Every line is shining, ready for the show. Silent voltage, running through the night. Silent voltage, everything feels right. Chrome reflections, neon blue. Every custom built looks new. Silent voltage, we own the city lights. One more turn, one more view. City lights are breaking through. No need to race, no need to run. The night is only just begun. Silent voltage, running through the night, running through the night. Silent voltage, everything feels right. From the city to the snow, every custom style can glow. Silent voltage, we own the city lights. Silent voltage, electric dreams under city lights.